Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your TikTok video. Previously I shared a video on how to make words appear on your video using an editing app, okay? But in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your TikTok video. Whenever you post videos on TikTok, as you speak, you're going to see words appear on your TikTok videos, and this helps to boost engagement. It also helps to make TikTok push your videos to more people. So it's very important that your automatic caption is turned on in your TikTok video to enable you, gain more reach and engagement. Okay, this is a video you want to watch to the end. Let me share with you my screen. So this is a video you want to watch till the end. So you're going to locate the TikTok app, okay, because I'm going to be doing this through the TikTok app. So once you locate the TikTok app, you tap to open. Once your TikTok app opens, you're going to go to here that says profile. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, this is one of my accounts on TikTok. I'm going to be using a video here, okay, to show you, okay, and I'm going to be using a talking video. So you see that as I talk or as I speak, words are appearing on the screen at the same time, okay? So I'm going to pick any video here so you guys can see. So I'm going to tap on this video that has voice. Not all the videos I have here have voice, okay? I'm going to tap on this one has voice, so that you see how as I speak words appear or is appearing alongside on the screen. So let me tap to open.
Hello guys, I want to drop a few tips on how to make your skincare products work. You might be using a skincare product wrongly, and that way you might not even see results. Now, the goal is to achieve a clear and bright, beautiful skin, right? Not a bleached skin. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can use your skincare product to actually work for you. Number one, always apply your cream on a clean, damp skin. So don't allow the water on your skin to dry out. No, always apply it on a damp skin, so that way the product can be able to penetrate and do its job. Number two, make sure you exfoliate twice a week. Use a body scrub, use a face scrub twice a week. It's very, very important. This helps to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. So if you scrub, then you apply your skincare product on a clean, damp skin, your product tends to work. Like, you're going to see the results. I sell scrub, I sell soap.
So guys, as you guys saw, as I spoke, words appeared on the screen alongside, okay? So I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that. But before I show you how you can apply to all your videos on TikTok, in case you speak and you feel that the words you speak are not correct, I'm going to show you where you can edit it, okay? And correct the words so that the words you speak that appeared on the screen or that appears on the screen as you speak is accurate. Okay, so all you need to do is once you're speaking, okay, once you're speaking, looking at the words that are appearing on the screen like this, take for instance, these are the words that are appearing on the screen as I speak. All you need to do to edit this, in case you make mistake, is just to tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you're going to see edit captions. Okay, so you tap on this arrow here.
Hello guys, I want to drop a few tips on how to make it.
Okay, so you can make some corrections here in case you feel that the words you speak are not correct. You can make some corrections here. So these are the words I'm speaking. I can just tap on anyone. If I feel is not correct, I can tap on this. So once I tap on this, as you guys can see, the edit button applied here. So all I need to do is just to retype it and correct whatever it is. So this is how you can edit and put the words right in case you feel you made any mistake. So after doing that, after editing the captions and correcting the spellings, fixing typos, all you need to do is just to go here that says save to save. Okay, mine is already correct, so I don't need to correct anything here. So mine is already correct. For you, if it's not correct, the words you speak are not correct, there are too much typos, all you need to do is just to tap on any sentence you see that is not correct and do some corrections there, and here will be highlighted. This save will be highlighted. Okay, then you tap on save to save that. Okay, so that is for doing some adjustment and some corrections. Now I'm going to be walking you through, showing you how you can switch on automatic caption like in all your videos. So once you switch it on in all your videos, automatically whenever you make any video on TikTok, automatically words will appear as you speak. The words will appear on your screen as you speak. So let's go back.
I sell cream, so DM me for your.
So let's go back. Now we're in our profile. Then the next thing you're going to do is to go to these 3 horizontal lines at the top right, to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you're going to see settings and privacy. You tap on settings and privacy. So then you're going to go down. You're going to see accessibility. This is where you want to go. You tap on this arrow here. So once the arrow opens, you're going to see text size, increase color contrast, remove photosensitive videos, then caption. This is where you want to go. Captions. Okay, show captions in your app language when available. Okay, so once you turn it on here, all your video automatically will have captions on it, like words will appear automatically on all your videos. Okay, on your screen as you speak on TikTok. To automatically do that to all your videos, this is where you can go. Okay, then if you want to do it individually, want to turn it off individually, you're going to go through that route where I showed you on how to edit it. Okay, you're going to see the caption button turned on. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. That is for your individual videos. Okay, but this is if you want to turn it on generally. So automatically any video you post on your TikTok, words will automatically appear if you speak. Okay, words will automatically appear on the screen while you speak. Okay, so this is how you can do that to all your videos. Just come to captions, follow all the steps I just showed you, come to captions. Okay, then turn it on. So once you turn it on, okay, all your videos will have captions on them. All your videos will have automatic caption on them, meaning all your videos that has voice, while you speak, words will appear alongside on the screen of your TikTok videos. Okay, hope this was helpful. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.